Hi there, this is Dee of After Hours Crafts and welcome to my channel. I hope you're having a lovely day, and today I will be making something that's really easy. It's definitely the definition of a 5-minute craft. Now, if you're anything like me, I love stickers. All the types of stickers, I do have them, and recently I've been buying a lot of, what do you call these? Like skateboard stickers? Most of them are vinyl. That kind of material that you put on a skateboard. So I've been buying these. Unfortunately, the thing with these kinds of stickers is that you never really know what you get in the pack.
You never know what you're gonna get.
And you never know if you can get it again. So I'm really excited that I found this method of keeping stickers and being able to see them and still preserving them, you know. Here are some of the stickers that I absolutely love, and I've had them for a while, but I didn't stick them onto anything because I felt like it would be a waste. Here's my absolute favorite. This girl who's getting a buzz cut, and she has blue hair. And so I just wanted to address the elephant in the room that I do now have green hair, and it's going to change again very soon, and please don't be surprised.
Surprise, motherfucker!
So another one of my favorites is this one. If I'm a big fan of The Office, so The Office Jello.
That's my staple.
No! Do not take it out. You have to eat it out of there.
And just Michael and my favorite coat.
It's Brittany, bitch.
And here's another one. Kevin and his chili. And that's cute. So the first thing you need is, other than the stickers that you have, you also need a magnetic sheet. So for me, when it comes to magnetic sheets, it's very simple since it does have a matte side to it, and then there's a glossy side. But being the neurotic that I am, I still do a quick fridge test before I do anything with the magnetic sheet. I get this, see the matte side? Yep. Now we use a glossy side. So this is the magnetic edge. Now that you've got your stickers and your magnetic sheet, the next things you'll need for the 5-minute version of this craft is some Elmer's glue or Mod Podge, a paintbrush, and a pair of scissors. So this step is completely optional if you'd like to cut your stickers down to size, or if they have, like the ones I have right now, if they have that white little rim, feel free to cut them out, and then you're ready to stick them onto your magnetic sheet.
A few inches later.
There.
A few moments later.
So take the magnetic sheet, make sure the glossy side is down, or whichever is the stickiest after your fridge test. And of course, before you go ahead and stick them on, make sure that you are putting them on the right side of the magnetic sheet. And I know people with fandoms can be very annoying, especially with the series and movies, but I really do love The Office, and I think it really fits in the theme or the placement of where I'm going to put these magnetic stickers soon. Once the stickers are all set, I cut them down into smaller pieces so I can secure them using a, what is this? I'm using a contact paper scraper, but if you don't have it, any kind of card will do. Once they're all secure, I cut them down to size to remove the extra magnetic sheet. Now after this step, the stickers are pretty much good to use and you can already put them on your fridge or any magnetic surface where you'd like to place them. After that, I go ahead and get my Elmer's glue and paint on the surface of the stickers. So this will provide a layer of protection for the stickers so they become slightly waterproof, and it also secure them to the sides. But if you want to take this craft further beyond 5 minutes and turn it into a 5-hour craft, 24-hour craft, you can go ahead and start using some resin. So in here, I just mix up a small amount of resin so I can coat and dome my stickers. As always, I mix the resin for 5 full minutes and wait 10 minutes for it to set. Now to prep the magnets, I put some tape on the back and trim the excess. So this will prevent the resin or any excess resin from seeping underneath the magnet. Now before I start doming, I use a silicone ice tray where I put my resin pieces on so that the excess resin will drip off of them and not underneath. If you don't have anything like this, feel free to just prop up your piece on top of a paper cup or anywhere that's elevated where the excess resin can drip through the sides. Alright, so stickers fresh from the curing rack. See it here. It's nice glossy sheen to it. This really looks more finished than the backing. Just have to remove this. Okay, so I really love the outcome of the resin stickers and I decided I wanted to make more stickers. So here I am just adding more the office stickers and turning them into magnets. So I'm filming this the day after since I had to wait for the resin to cure. These pieces, as you can see, they're very glossy and shiny and they really look nice, pretty sturdy compared to the ones that aren't, you know, don't have the resin. Personally, I really like this one. So I am going to cure the rest of the pieces that I have, and I also made a whole lot more The Office themed magnets. And it's funny because I'll show you where I plan to place these. So I recently got this small file cabinet for our new office. Since the office is still under construction, I'm still filling in the pieces and decoration, and I think these stickers are a great addition to it. And it's funny because I do not plan to label this file cabinet, and maybe just the stickers will be the label, okay? So maybe for the general documents, I'd put them in the office. I'd label them with the office label, and maybe for Kevin Malone's chili, I'd put my very important files there, you know, don't spill the chili. So I hope this video has given you an idea on how to preserve your favorite stickers while simultaneously using them. Now, it's up to you if you want this to be more of a 5-minute craft or a 24-hour craft with the resin involved. So now I'm going to have to let you go because I have to dome all of these The Office magnets. So if you like more arts and crafts content, feel free to subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!